A Black Hawk casino operator will now have to pay $74 million to the company that built a high-rise addition on its property.
A Denver district judge handed down that ruling against the operators of Monarch Casino Resort and Spa on Friday. And Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates is in the newsroom. Kevin, this lawsuit took longer to resolve than it did to actually build the $400 million addition.
Tom and Kim, consider this. Monarch broke ground on this project in 2017 and it opened nearly 4 years later. It took more than 5 years to resolve this legal case, and it required 3 judges, more than a dozen attorneys, and over 200 hours of courtroom testimony. It's the first thing visitors see as they round a bend on Colorado Highway 119 and reach Black Hawk, the 23-story tower at Monarch Casino Resort and Spa. Back in February 2017, it was all smiles when company officials broke ground and PCL Construction began work on this high-rise addition. By the time the new venue was ready to open, PCL had sued Monarch's owners for breach of contract, alleging, among other things, that the company refused to pay for the work. Monarch's owners countersued, asserting, among other things, that PCL missed agreed-upon dates to finish various phases of the project and did shoddy work. Attorney Stan Garnett says construction cases are complicated.
In other words, you'll have overlapping obligations, lots of different parties involved, and then a lot of factual complexity about what actually happened and what went wrong and what the damages are.
In the ruling handed down Friday, Denver District Judge Andrew Luxen ordered Monarch to pay PCL and several subcontractors more than $74 million, a sum Garnett hasn't previously seen in a Denver courtroom.
That's not to say there hasn't been one, but this is a very, very large award by a trial judge.
We spoke to one of the attorneys who represented Monarch today. She declined to comment and referred us to the company. A spokesman there also declined to comment. He did, however, share a filing that Monarch made with the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to that filing, the company anticipates that it will appeal the ruling. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
It's taken this long, but there's enough at stake that it may take even more time, Kevin.
Court of Appeals cases sometimes can take years to resolve.
All right, thanks.